Good morning students and welcome in our science class. We are seeing be sensitive its pollution. In previous video we have seen about water pollution. Today we are going to see about noise pollution. First of all I will read, listen me carefully. Noise pollution. Any sound that is loud and unpleasant is known as noise. Aeroplanes, road traffic, factories and loudspeakers are some of the sources of noise pollution. Noise pollution can affect our sense of hearing and our concentration badly. Some ways by which you as a child can reduce noise pollution are given below. Discuss more in class. Speak softly. Always play television and music system on low volume. Make minimum use of loudspeakers. Try to avoid them as much as possible. Request your parents not to fit loud horns in the vehicles. Pollution is increasing day by day due to our careless attitude and activities. We, the humans, are the major cause of pollution and only we have to make efforts to stop it. Otherwise, our beautiful planet will no more remain beautiful. So first of all, what is noise pollution? Noise pollution means the unpleasant sound is called as noise pollution. नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन मतलब क्या? ऐसी जो आवाज़ है जो सुनने में बिल्कुल अच्छी ना लगे हो उसको ही हम बोलेंगे नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन. नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन किन चीज़ों से होता है? तो नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन जैसे कि रोड ट्रैफिक यानी रोड पे बहुत सारे व्हीकल्स जमा हो जाना और फिर उनकी जो वॉइस आती है वो. एरोप्लेन्स भी जब उड़ते तो बहुत आवाज़ करते हैं. फैक्ट्रीज जब होते हैं, जो मशीन्स चलते हैं उनमें भी बहुत सारी आवाज़ें आती हैं. आपने देखा होगा जब फेस्टिवल्स वगैरह होते हैं तो बड़े बड़े लाउड स्पीकर्स लगाते हैं तो उनसे भी क्या होता है? नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन होता है. तो इन सब चीज़ों की वजह से क्या होता है? नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन होता है. नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन हमारे बहुत ज़्यादा ज़ोर से चिल्लाकर बात करने से भी क्या होता है? नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन होता है. कुछ भी हम जब काम करते हैं कुछ ना कुछ नॉइज़ तो आता ही रहता है, पर जब वो नॉइज़ बहुत ज़्यादा हाई वॉल्यूम पे हो तब हम उसको बोलेंगे नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन. ठीक है. तो नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन का क्या असर होता है हम पे? हाउ दिस नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन अफेक्ट्स अस? So this noise pollution affects on our sense organ, that is ear. It affects on our sense as well as it distracts our concentration. We can't do any work with concentration. Okay. So this is noise pollution and there its effect. So what we can do to control the noise pollution? To control the noise pollution, we have to speak softly, very softly. We have to not shout or not speak loudly. We have to speak softly and in a low volume. Always see your cartoons or watch your Pro TV programs on the low volume. Don't raise the volume high. You can also listen the music on the low volume. Try to avoid using of loudspeakers and request your parents not to fit the high volume horns in their vehicles. So this is how you can help to reduce the noise pollution. So this is about all noise pollution. See students, pollution like noise pollution, water and air pollution and land pollution and many other pollutions, these all pollutions are only due to the human beings. Human beings are the reason of this all pollutions and only we have to take efforts to control this pollution. If we will not do this, our earth will be not be as beautiful as it is. So I hope you all have understood about the pollution. This is noise pollution. See you in the next video.